population risk difference is slightly different. In population risk difference, what we're doing is we're calculating RD, population risk difference, equals incidence in the population minus the incidence in the not exposed. So, how do we calculate this? The incidence in the population is one we haven't talked about in a little while. In order to do the incidence of the population, IP is the total number of new cases, total new cases divided by total pop, right? Where INE is still the same thing, which is total, I don't want to confuse you, new cases not exposed over total non-exposed. So if we're looking at our IP, we go down here. And once again, our INE is still in this, our not exposed group, right? And that's how we get our data. So if we're going to do this, total new cases, we had 8 total new cases over a total population of 210 in our sample. Then minus 1 new case amongst the non-exposed over total not exposed, which was 79. Once again, we're going to want to put this in brackets because we're going to do it per 100 pop. So our multiplier is by 100. And if we do that, and we put the data in like this, we have 8 divided by 210 divided by 1 divided by 79, minus 1 divided by 79, multiplied by 100. You end up with the answer of 2.5437. So equals 2.5. Now, what does that 2.5 mean? 2.5 cases of wound infection could be eliminated if we stop doing incidental appendectomies per 100 population. Sorry for the scratchy writing in there. And the reason this is because you might have incidental appendectomies no matter what, right? Sometimes we have, you might have wound infection no matter what. Wounds get infected. It might not be due to the fact that you had the appendectomy or not. However, what we do know is if we could eliminate the incidental appendectomies, if we could get rid of those, if we could get rid of that exposure completely, then we could see for every 100 people in our population, we could eliminate 2.5 cases of wound infection. That's what it's saying. If we could eliminate this exposure, we can get rid of 2.5 cases of wound infection.